Okay, pool players, you want to learn how to stay in control and be able to run out? This video is for you. It's all about anxiety control. Let's see if we can have a look at our opening shot and make a ball here on the break. I heard two maybe. I do have a shot, but it's a bank shot. Let me think about this. Can I get my position on that three? Wow, tough shot, tough shot. It's almost too thin to cut it. I can cut it, but I better bank it. And then I better draw down there and then come back up into here for the three down there. All right, so let's do this. So what I do, I'm just looking at the bank angle right now. I gotta hit it about right there. So what I do is I come in at the back of the cue ball. I'm committed to hitting that spot right there. Come into the back of the cue ball. I stop at the back of the cue ball, clear all clutter from my mind, and make a nice smooth stroke. And that was perfect. So now, same thing here. I'm going to have to stun this out a little bit. It's a little bit straight. A little bit of draw with stun. I'm going to stop at the back of the cue ball, clear all clutter. Okay, this one here, I'm going to have to draw it. Once again, come down on the cue ball, clear all clutter. Basically, don't shoot until you're ready to shoot. Clear all clutter. I don't want to mess up now. I want to make sure I get the right angle here. A little bit of draw. Settle in at the back of the cue ball. Basically have that little angle. That's good. Settle in at the back of the cue ball. Side spin here. That's perfect. See, I'm clearing all the clutter out of my mind before I pull the trigger. Man, that's just perfect right here. Just center cue ball. Clear all the clutter from your mind and you'll be a better player for it. If you thought this video was good, please do me a favor and share this video. I need your help. It's going to help grow the channel. Also hit that thumbs up. Check out ronthepoolstudent.com, our new website. And if you want to watch another informative tutorial, watch this one right here. And until next time, like I always say, keep on practicing.